Hey guys, it's Lourdes from Jade Optical, and we're excited to announce here at Jade that we're gonna have a new little surprise frame selection every month. It's gonna come in a box just like this, and inside it'll have goodies and inspirational quotes for every month that we subscribe. Okay, let's see what's inside. So this is January, and our inspirational quote is, "Cheers to the new year ahead and a new chance for you to reach your dreams. Inside lies a goal planner to help inspire you for the next chapter ahead." Okay. It also includes this cute little pin, which is actually pretty cute. You can catch me wearing it on the office sometime when you guys come in. And a much needed planner. And this I will use to choose the winner that's going to win one of these frames that are inside this box. And this is pretty cool, a little goal planner too. Very useful for me. And then here we go with the beautiful frames. So the frame this month is the Cameron, and they come in this really cool hard box. Here, this is from a company called Chemistry, a very fashion-forward company designing beautiful frames. And as you can see, it's got a very trendy double bridge here. So it's this same frame in 3 different colors. This is the gunmetal and blue, which is actually pretty cool. And as you can see, it's got a side view, and on the inside, it's got like a blue horn, which is beautiful. And I'm gonna lie these here, and then we'll go through the box and select the other 2 colors. So here's color number 2, ooh, one of my all-time faves, which is the tortoise shell and the gold. We'll see how that one looks. Now remember to comment and let me know which one you guys love the best, because that's gonna be the winner for January. And the winner for January should be announced somewhere towards the end of the month. So here's a tortoise and gold, very pretty. And last but not least, the very elegant black and gold, which this one can be either clear or sun. Either way would look beautiful. And we'll give you some ideas once that winner is chosen and comes in. Very nice. So I'm excited to see you guys every month and bring a little inspiration into your homes.